Little Early English Education.
Hello, super learners! Today, we're going to draw and color a brand new number block. Number block 13,000. Let's get started. Okay, super learners, let's start with the body of number block 13,000. First, draw one big rectangle, nice and tall, nice and wide. 10,000 and 3,000. Now let's divide each section into blocks. Draw 10 vertical lines going from top to bottom. Count with me as you draw. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Great job! Now draw 13 horizontal lines going across. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13. Fantastic! Now look at what we have. We have 130 big block sections. And 130 blocks means 13 groups of 10. That's 1,300 steps closer to 13,000. Now we go inside each block section. We are going to draw tiny vertical lines from top to bottom of the whole rectangle. We will draw 40 vertical lines by hand. Let's go! Draw them carefully, nice and straight. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10.
Color the top, color the bottom, color the middle, in between. Every shade and every tone makes the best we've ever seen. Rainbow colors everywhere, mix and match and all combined. Drawing number blocks with love makes every picture look so fine. Now we finish.
11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20.
Take a breath, enjoy the view. Number blocks look super fine. We can draw them every day. We can color, we can count. Every number block we make gives imagination and
21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29, 30.
drawing and coloring everyone. Color and count, count and color. Learning numbers like no other.
31, 32, 33, 34, 35, 36, 37, 38, 39, 40. You are doing so well! Now we will add 60 more vertical lines by hand to complete the full set. Almost there. 50, 60, 70, 80, 90, 100. Yes! That section is done.
100,
Color inside, stay inside, make it bright just
200,
like red, blue, yellow, green. This color in time is fun.
300,
Appear alive, every number we create.
400,
Come alive, this magic
500,
feels so great.
600,
Color inside, fill it soft and neat and
700,
crayons, use your markers, make your picture feel just
800,
right. Find the picture, let it glow, this drawing time feels so
900,
alive.
1,000,
Number blocks are happy.
1,100,
Learning helps our minds to thrive.
1,200, 1,300,
Count with me, 1 to
1,400,
10. Colors start again, 11, 12, 13,
1,500,
14. Every block becomes a friend. 15, 16,
1,600,
17, 18, 19, 20,
1700,
We can learn in what we do.
1800,
Shape it, shade it, color in
1900,
full of fun. Red next, blue next, yellow
2000,
next. Every single one, step by step and block by block.
2100,
Count them fast. We
2200,
numbers, this knowledge always stays. And
2300, 2400,
tick tock, drawing time.
2500,
Color softly, color lightly, make the picture
2600,
never color the blocks one by one, fill it in
2700, 2800,
single square.
2900,
Blocks look
and
so
3000.
divine. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. We color
Okay, super learners, it's time for fast mode. We are going to zoom through the remaining block sections now.
with our heart. This is fun and this is art. Drawing every little part makes the magic truly start. Color the top, color the bottom, color the middle, in between. Every shade and every tone makes the best we've ever seen. Rainbow colors everywhere, mix and match and all combine. Drawing number blocks of love makes every picture look so fine. Now we finish nice and slow, step by step and line by line. Take a breath, enjoy the view. Number blocks look super fine. We can draw them every day. We can color, we can count. Every number block we make gives imagination an amount. Number blocks learning, number blocks fun. Drawing and coloring everyone. Color and count, count and color. Learning numbers like no one. It's time to draw the number blocks. Let's begin today. Take your pencil, take your crayons. Let's create and play. Start with simple shapes and lines. Nice and slow and neat. Every little box we draw makes learning feel complete. Draw a block and draw another, stack them side by side. Every number starts with shapes, watch them grow with pride. Lines go up and lines go down, corners strong and square. Drawing number blocks together shows how much we care. Now it's coloring time, let the colors shine. Fill each block with happy shades, one at a time. Red is bright and blue is cool, yellow like the sun. Coloring the number blocks is learning mixed with fun. Color gently, color neatly, stay inside each line. Every stroke and every shade makes the picture shine.
Now let's count how many we have. 1,000, 2,000, 3,000, 4,000, 5,000, 6,000, 7,000, 8,000, 9,000, 10,000, 11,000, 12,000, 13,000. Say it with me, super learners. T-H-I-R-T-E-E-N. T-H-O-U-S-A-N-D. 13,000. Okay, super learners, the body is done. Now let's give number block 13,000 a face. First, draw 2 big round circles for the eyes. Big and round. One on the left, one on the right. Now, inside each eye, draw a smaller circle for the pupil and add a tiny shine circle, that little white dot that makes the eyes look alive. So cute.
To the sky, big or small, fast or slow, every number counts. Drawing helps our brains grow strong with every amount.
Now draw the eyebrows above the eyes. 2 curved lines, one above each eye. Give them a happy curve because number block 13,000 is so happy today. Now draw a big, happy, smiling mouth. Curve it up on both sides. Big smile. And inside the mouth, draw the teeth. Now let's draw the hands. Draw both hands on the sides of the body. Nice little round hands. Left hand, right hand. Great! Now at the bottom of the body, draw 2 legs, short and sturdy. And now the final drawing step. At the very top of the body, write the number 1, 3, 0, 0, 0. 13,000. Say it one more time. 13,000. Fantastic work, super learners! You have drawn number block 13,000. Give yourself a big clap. 1, 2, 3. Amazing!
First color. Black. Spell it with me. B-L-A-C-K. Black. Color the eyes, the pupils inside. And color the inside of the mouth area too. Nice dark black, so the eyes look bright and shiny. Next color. Purple. Spell it with me. P-U-R-P-L-E. Purple. Color the eye outlines, the big circles around the eyes. And color the eyebrows too. Carefully color around each eye circle. And fill in those curved eyebrows. Stunning! Color hunt. Can you find something purple near you? Look around. Maybe a toy? Maybe a book? Maybe a crayon? Point to it. Sky blue. Spell it with me. S-K-Y-B-L-U-E. Sky blue. Color the inner eye outlines, the ring just inside the purple circles, like the beautiful sky.
Feels so cool and calm. Red is strong and bright. Yellow shines like morning sun, making pictures light.
Now pick up pink. P-I-N-K. Pink. Color the smiling mouth, that big happy smile. Fill it in with beautiful pink. Color the smile outline and fill carefully. So warm and friendly.
Drawing is fun and slow. We don't need to rush the pace. Color inside, stay inside.
Perfect. Next, light red. L-I-G-H-T-R-E-D. Light red. Color half of the hands, the top half, and half of the legs, the top half. Color the top part of the left hand, top part of the right hand, top part of the left leg, top part of the right leg. Excellent!
Happy friends, learning helps our minds to thrive. Color inside.
Now orange. O-R-A-N-G-E-E. Orange. Color the other half of the hands, the bottom half, and the other half of the legs, the bottom half. Color the bottom part of the left hand, bottom part of the right hand, bottom part of the left leg, bottom part of the right leg. Beautiful contrast.
Okay, super learners, this is the big one. We are going to color the main body of number block 13,000. Pick up red, R-E-D, red. We are going to color the big section, the 10,000 block side. That is the bottom part of the body. Start coloring the bottom section. Work your way carefully across, nice even strokes. While you color, let's play. Count by thousands. Count with me. 1,000, 2,000, 3,000, 4,000, 5,000, 6,000, 7,000, 8,000, 9,000, 10,000, 11,000, 12,000, 13,000. Wow! All the way to 13,000. Jump counting. Stand up if you can. Jump with me, count by 1,000. Jump 1,000. Jump 2,000. Jump 3,000. Jump 4,000. Jump 5,000. Jump 6,000. Jump 7,000. Jump 8,000. Jump 9,000. Jump 10,000. Jump 11,000. Jump 12,000. Jump 13,000. Amazing jumping. Now sit back down and keep coloring. Slow, careful mode. Now let's color slowly and carefully. No rushing, just nice, neat, beautiful coloring. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Take your time. Every block counts. You are doing wonderfully. Quiet focus mode. Now we enter quiet mode. Shh. Just color. No talking. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Beautiful focus, super learner. Fast coloring burst. Ready for fast mode? 3, 2, 1. Go, go, go! Color fast! Faster! Faster! Now stop. Wow, look how much you colored. Stretch break. Okay, take a little break. Stretch your fingers. Stretch your arms up high. Roll your shoulders. Wiggle your hands. Shake it all out. Okay, back to coloring. White space checker. Look carefully at your coloring. Can you see any white spaces left? Any sneaky spots you missed? Find them and fill them in. Perfect. No more white spaces. Clap count. Clap with me. 1,000, 2,000, 3,000, 4,000, 5,000, 6,000, 7,000, 8,000, 9,000, 10,000. 10,000 claps. You are incredible. The red section is now complete. The 10,000 body is fully colored. We are almost there, super learners. Last color, yellow. Y-E-L-L-O-W. Yellow. Now color the top section of the body, the 3,000 blocks. That bright, beautiful yellow on top. Color the top section carefully. Work across from left to right. Fill every block with bright yellow. Ooh, it is looking so amazing. The red on the bottom, the yellow on top. Number block 13,000 is coming to life. Sunshine stretch. Yellow is the color of the sun. Reach your arms up like sunshine. Spread your fingers wide. Wiggle them like sunshine rays.
Drawing makes us smile wide. Coloring makes us feel alive. Number blocks are happy blocks. They make learning really thrive. 1 little block, 2 little blocks, 3 and 4 and 5 in line. 6 and 7, 8 and 9, 10 together looking fine.
Beautiful. Let's review what we learned today. 13,000 is made of 10,000 plus 3,000. That is 13,000. And 13,000 has 13 groups of 1,000. Say it with me. Thirteen. Thousand. 13,000. You are so smart, super learner. Amazing work today, super learners. Look at what you did. You drew the big body. You divided into 10,000 and 3,000. You drew all those tiny blocks. You drew the face. You drew the hands and legs. And you colored everything so beautifully. You completed number block 13,000. Give yourself the biggest clap ever. I am so proud of you. Keep drawing, keep counting, keep being amazing, and I will see you in the next number block adventure. Bye-bye.
Don't forget, like, share, subscribe. Thanks for watching.